Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Meet the Faculty Night video for AP Macroeconomics. My name is Mr. Scott Kuschel, and I'm going to be teaching this class for this year. I'm very excited to teach this class this year. This is our first year offering AP Macro as an advanced placement alternative at Brother Rice. We've taught a more general macroeconomics course for a number of years now, for more than a decade actually, but this is our first attempt at AP, so I'm really happy that the boys have signed up to take this class. It should be a fun but a challenging class. The heart and soul of the class is going to be here on Schoology. The class will be organized on Schoology with there being a weekly folder that I will fill each week with all the assignments we're going to have. Any papers or documents that are handed out in class will be available in electronic form there. If a boy misses a class any day for any reason, he should check Schoology to see what he may have missed on assignments or any documents that he needs to pick up. There will also be a folder that goes along with each unit. Within each unit folder will be a study guide that has questions that they need to answer, a PowerPoint that goes through the notes of those questions, and then a schedule for all of the upcoming assessments and assignments when they're going to be due, and a daily schedule for how many slides of the notes they should be studying each night. Basically, the concept of the class is that I will assign them some notes out of my PowerPoint lecture each night, and then the next day in class we will go over any questions they have, plus any calculation or any of the more challenging concepts in class, and take class time for reinforcement of what they studied the night before. The textbook for the course is going to be right here, the crash course in AP Macroeconomics. It follows the course description perfectly that goes along with the test. These are written every year to correspond to changes in that year's exam. So this one is based on last year's exam. It is updated with all of the latest information and changes in the course. And it follows the text and it follows the description of the class unit by unit and step by step very well. And it's also designed, the textbook is designed to cover the course in one semester, as this is a one semester course. Lots of other schools teach AP Economics as AP Macroeconomics and AP Microeconomics as two different classes, one semester of AP Macro and one semester of AP Micro. We are just going to do one semester of macroeconomics, very similar to our regular course in economics. We just do for one semester. So if the boys, if we were going to do AP Macro and AP Micro, they would actually take two different exams. So in this case, they will study AP Macro for one semester and then take the AP Macro exam next May. We will also be using extensively AP Classroom. AP Classroom that all the boys have signed on to has a collection of resources for each unit. It has quizzes that we will take on here, practice essays, and all of the things that we will need that will go along with a reinforcement of the textbook. We just took our first weekly quiz this morning on the AP Classroom. So going forward, this will be our platform for what we're going to be using for most of the class. It's going to be a challenging year for the boys. It's going to be a challenging class, and also hopefully an enjoyable one as well. As we study going forward, we're going to be studying supply and demand. We'll be studying financial markets. We'll be studying different economic indicators and how those show changes in economic growth in a country. We'll be studying different governmental systems with different economic systems, different roles that governments play around the world. We will be studying how the government can either stimulate or slow down the economy through fiscal and monetary policy, and covering the large ideas that is laid out in the AP Macro course description. So I hope that answers as many questions as you have about the AP Macro class. If you have any other questions, please feel free to contact me. My name again is Mr. Scott Kuschel, and you can reach me at Kuschel, Kuschel, at brrice.edu. Feel free to contact me at any time, and I hope you have a good evening. Thank you very much.